Hey guys, it's your boy Joel Levia, and you know what we do each and every day is answering and addressing those concerns, those questions you have. For those who don't know me as yet, my name is Joel Levia. I'm a nutrition coach and a fitness professional based in New York City. I love what I do. I love transforming people's life with nutrition and movement. Hey, so let's address this question I've received, and that's how long should you fast to lose weight? Ooh. Good question. I like it. You see, fasting have been done for thousands of years throughout many cultures on the planet. Different religions fast, and they fast for different reasons. Most of the time for some form of spiritual enlightenment. Fasting have shown to have many different benefits. Everything from helping with cancers and tumors and gut issues like leaky guts and what they call it again, acid reflux, for examples. Also help with depression and anxiety and a slew of other stuff. Fasting have helped even with weight loss. So the question remains, how long should you fast to lose weight? This is something you should I think you should talk to a specialist, not any and every doctor, because all doctors are not created equal. And the topic of fasting, most of them don't know much about it at all. So it's finding a doctor that is specialized in that area of study and understanding how it affects your body. You should consult with them first, understanding your issues, who you are, before you even dive into a fast. However, I can share my experience on a fast. I've tried it for 7 days, and I did an entire water fast. Yeah. For the first 2 days, I put lemon, just squeezed some lemon and put in some water, and I was drinking it throughout the entire day. After the second day was just water for 7 days. It was challenging because your mind play tricks on you. Your mind saying, come on, what are you doing? Why are you doing this? Is there any benefit? And I did it for a certain reason. And did I feel good after? Yes, I felt my mind. There was a lot of, I should say, clarity in my mind. You know, those brain fogs and was all gone. I'm just telling you my experience. Did I lose weight? Yeah, I did. I lose in 1 week, I lose 12 pounds. A lot. I think I lost a little too much too fast. That's my experience. Would you lose weight? Yes, you will. If you're on a fast. I may not recommend 7 days. However, I think if you want to try a fast, there's different type of fast. There is early in the morning when you get up, they call it break fast. You're breaking your fast from that 8 hours or 10 hours or 5 hours you're sleeping. So by you doing this form like intermittent fasting, meaning you're stretching that fast from when you get up to a little longer period, let's say until 12 o'clock, then eat. Yeah, you could try it out. But again, consult with a doctor first before you do any kind of fasting, because your brain sends signals to you either to crave certain foods, and if you're plain stubborn, it even sends signal of shutting you down. And you could feel lightheaded or feel the faint. Yes, your body will send signals for you to start eating. So just be mindful of that. Will you lose weight? Yes, you will. Fasting do help. Consider talking to a doctor, consider intermittent fasting, or even consider trying to fast for just 1 day from sunup to sundown, just on water, or you could put some form of citrus juice, natural citrus juice in your water to help you out with the vitamin C's and stuff. That's my spiel on would fasting help you lose weight, period. It will. Case closed. It'll have a lot of other benefits with it as well. Hope I was able to answer that question directly or indirectly. I hope it helped you out. If you're considering fasting, please talk to a doctor. If you have any other questions dealing with this topic, feel free to reach out to me and I will address it personally for you. Hey, If this helped you out or help answer that question and you believe you could help a friend, share this information. I will appreciate it a lot. Until next time, stay fit and stay healthy.